What's poppin', Rolling Game family? You already know who it is. You already know what it is. It's your boy, TB. Welcome back to another edition of Rolling with TB. You heard me?
What's up, Rolling Game?
Purchase your tracks today.
Alright guys, so right now we got about hour 30 minutes to our delivery. It's 6:04 right now. Delivery is literally open. We're just worried about all this. The delivery is literally open window. They open up at 8 a.m. But I've been getting these check calls all morning. They told me to download Macro Point, which I did. But you know, all morning this is what I've been getting so far in phone calls. Good morning, this is from Summon. Checking on your delivery to Laredo. Please confirm your current location. You said that you will depart Purcell, Texas Sunday night, but Micro Point is still showing current location is there. So yeah, I'm a bit frustrated because you know, I told them Saturday. I got here Saturday. I told them Saturday. They was like, "Are you gonna stay the night there?" I'm like, "Yeah, I'm gonna stay here till Monday morning." He was like, "Oh, I'm gonna make a note of it. Cool, we won't bother you no more." Was calling me all yesterday. "Hey, where's your location?" "Okay, cool. You gonna be making to appointment time Laredo?" I'm like, "Yeah, told y'all that." But you know, this is when you get broker free. And then this load pace really good from Fort Madison, Iowa down to Laredo. So I guess they just want to keep checking. And it is what it is. But right now, I'm in Purcell, Texas, about to do my pre-trip and head down to Laredo. So I'm gonna see how once we get to Laredo. Rolly.
Two hours later.
I feel bad for the people who got here first. Like that truck right there coming up here, this Martin truck, they got here before us, but the place we got to deliver to right over there, you can't park on the left side of the street, which is my left side of the street. You got to be parked on the right side of the street. So every truck that's on the right side of the street right here with me right now, they about to let us go in, and the rest of the people got to just sit out here. So that's funny. Rolly. Alright guys, so after a rough weekend, I don't know why we doing it, but after a rough weekend, we finally made it to our receiver down here in Laredo. I'm getting in dock number 4 over here. Just gotta slide my tandem and put my bill. Yeah, just gotta slide my tandems, throw my bills in the back of the trailer, get unloaded, and it's a pretty light load, so they should get me out of here fairly quickly, honestly. So I'll catch y'all once we get unloaded and get out of here. Rolly. Okay, so we officially got unloaded. Right now it's 8:57, so they was pretty quick here, man. To be honest, this was a good run. So I'm about to slide my tandems to the back, exit, and then we about to head over to our next pickup in Laredo. To a load we got to take over to Nebraska, and then find something for that. We gotta run while these rates up and there's money to be made, y'all. So I'm gonna see how we get over to our next destination. Rolly. Okay. So we made it to the C.H. Robinson down here in Laredo, so y'all know this load pays good. I gotta find my pickup number, then go check in and get this load and keep it moving. So I'm gonna see y'all after that. Rolling. Okay. Man, where is everybody? Laredo is literally a dead zone today. Like, it hasn't been as busy as it normally be. So I'm hoping that things aren't slowing down here, because you know, if y'all watch my vlogs, y'all know I come to Laredo a hell of a lot. But today, it's really a dead zone. Like, I'm literally the only person here about to get loaded. Like, nobody else is here. Like, ridiculous. So I'm gonna see y'all after I get loaded. Rolling.
The next morning.
Alright, y'all, so we on the Kansas City Turnpike. I literally just caught a flat tire. I just seen it flying everywhere. Hey man, I don't know if it's no only truck stop. Ah, yeah. I heard a leak too, so I wonder if one of the wires break off. What is that? My mud flat broke off. Shoot. Let me see, man. Trying to get it this thing right here if I can. I'm gonna have to call one of those people to come out here fix this. It's literally a yeah, I gotta try to figure out a way to get see, I'm on the turnpike and they do got one of those little toll plaza things up there, and I could make it up there. It's only a few miles up the road. I wonder, can I get up there, get that fixed, get somebody to call out here to get it fixed or whatever. I don't know, because the nearest truck stop, yeah. Alright, we gotta figure out somewhere to get this fixed then. Jesus Christ. Rolly. Y'all, so right now we at Best One Tire and Service over there. They're about to change my tire. I'm up in Wichita, Kansas. Some dude named Brian up here, I called up. They got a national account, so from what I'm learning, that any national account can change, like Landstar tires or whatever. I think this one is losing air. It's definitely losing air, so he gonna have to pump this back up. It sound hollow as hell too, and then you already know that right there, in a mud flat bracket. Oh, that needs to be replaced. Man, it literally happened when I was getting on that toll plaza in Kansas City. So, you know, I'm glad I caught it. I'm glad I wasn't too far to the point that I had to stop in the middle of the highway or whatever. I mean, not stop in the middle of the highway, stop on the side of the road for a long period of time, because you know Landstar sitting duck policy. This is something that's understandable with Landstar, if y'all don't know, but they about to come over here, fix this tire. The other tires look good. That one just jacked up, and then the front one, I mean the rear outer one, gonna need some air in it, so we'll go from there. Rolling. Okay.
What tire is it for you?
It's the left inner, outer, rear.
Left rear outside?
Yeah.
Get your 39 flat or getting replaced?
The whole thing got to be replaced. The mud flat bracket.
Okay, pull up just a little bit, just to where you're at the edge of this curve.
Okay.
Yeah, just pull up just a little further.
Okay.
Try to stay like you are, because you have perfect distancing, so he can get to stay. He's gonna do it out here, it'll be a lot quicker.
Okay.
Because we got stuff going on in our bed.
Guys, this has definitely been a rough week for me. April 1st starts tomorrow. I'm doing a 30-day fast for April. Week 1, I'm doing intermittent fasting. Week 2, I'm doing a complete liquid diet. Week 3, only 1 meal a day. It has to be only vegetables and protein. And the 4th week, it's the same thing. You gotta do 1 mile a week on the liquid diet days, 2 miles a week during the days that you eat food. So hopefully everything works out better. But they got my trailer done. All my tires is on there. So thankful for that. 30-minute break, I ended up getting that in too. Well, I'm about to start that now that they done my 30-minute break, and then head and try to deliver this load and go from there. So I'm gonna see y'all once we get up to Nebraska. Rolly. Okay. Alright y'all, so we made it to the right place finally. I've been all through this building, I ain't found nobody. Door, seal is broken. We opening door. This is Tyson door. I don't want to hear no issue.
A few moments later.
So that's the door we backed into. I've been walking around this place over and over and over again. I haven't found nobody to take my paper and get me unloaded. I see a bunch of forklifts though, so this place stinks too. I smell all cowhide here. Well, it's Tyson, so of course you know it's beef and chicken and all that stuff. So we just gonna have to wait here till somebody pop up.
1 hour later.
Alright guys, so right now they about to unload me. We can't be in our truck while we getting unloaded. So yeah, man. So we just out here. I'm gonna end this vlog off here. This week was a very, very interesting week. A lot of mishaps happened. We still made a lot of good money. I'm not gonna lie. Still made a lot of good money, even with those mishaps. By the grace of God, we worked the thing out. So we started off, I guess in this vlog, I think we delivered a load in Laredo, or picked up a load in Laredo. Brought it up here to Nebraska. Had a flat tire. Day before yesterday, I had one of my airlines fall off. Well, fall apart. Get it put back on. Trailer issue. Trailer issue. March has been an interesting month for me, but we made it through. I ain't got no complaints. April is tomorrow. New day for me. Fresh month, fresh start. Thank y'all for rolling with TV. Like, share, subscribe. And I'm gonna keep on dropping these vlogs if y'all keep on wanting to watch it. Rolly. Gang.